Hey everyone, welcome to Earthling Cooks. Today we're going to make soft shell crab. I'm just making one today, so you can go ahead and kind of double or triple this recipe if you are going to be cooking mini. Now I'm going to show you first our dry and wet baths here, and then we'll go ahead and show how to prep the crab and get it cooking. So in here I just have some milk. I used whole milk. I'm going to put an egg in there. And then it's optional, some hot soy sauce of your choice. On the dry side, you just need flour, some salt and pepper. Now you can do like a cup of flour and then a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of pepper. I'm just kind of estimating. Garlic powder, like a teaspoon as well. Onion powder as well if you want. And then a little bit of Old Bay. And then for a little, keep on the spicy theme, just a little bit of Cajun. Have to break that one up a bit. So I'm going to mix these up, and then we'll go ahead and look at the next step. Here we have the crab, and you can see here on the front the mouth is like cut off, or the head kind of. You're going to want to do that with a scissors or a knife if it wasn't already done. From here we just take them, put them in the bath. Actually move these here. And you can do this once or twice. I'm just going to do it once for a light coating, but if you want to do it, you can do it twice. And then we'll pull them out. Get your pan on the stove. I have my pan heating up here with some oil in it. You want about a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch of oil. We'll get that ready and then we'll go from there. Alright, when your oil's ready, just throw it in. Use tongs. And you can kind of get it in there good. Now just let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes aside. After 3 minutes, we'll flip now. And that's looking great. Give it another 2 minutes. And here it is done. Now I'm just going to leave it on top of the wire rack for a minute to strain. You can put it on paper towels as well, and then I'll plate it up. And there's our finished product. Have any questions, let me know. Happy cooking. We'll see y'all later.